Hi everyone, and welcome to today's session. In this video, we're going to talk about how to maximize the use of business letters for your company's needs, not just by following the right format, but by using the right kind of language. Because here's the thing, the structure of a letter matters, yes, but the words you choose and the tone you use make all the difference. They show who your company is, how professional you are, and how much you value your business relationships.
Why language matters. Think of a business letter as your company's voice on paper. Every word you write represents your organization's image and attitude, so the goal is to sound professional, clear, and respectful, but also warm and approachable when needed. For example, let's compare two sentences. Both sentences mean the same thing, but one feels demanding, while the other feels polite and professional. That small language shift can have a big impact on how your message is received. Getting the tone right. Tone is everything in business writing. A good business letter sounds confident but not aggressive, polite but not overly formal. Let's say you're writing about a delay in delivery. Instead of saying, "You failed to send the goods on time," you could say, "We noticed the shipment arrived later than expected, and we'd appreciate your attention to this matter in the future." It's still clear, but it's also diplomatic, and it keeps the relationship positive. That's the kind of language that builds long-term trust. Keeping it clear and simple. When writing business letters, clarity should always come first. Use short, direct sentences. Avoid slang or complicated phrases. If your message is full of fancy words but hard to understand, it loses its purpose. Also, be specific. Instead of saying, "We'll contact you soon," say, "We'll contact you by Friday." Precise language saves time and prevents misunderstandings, and it shows you respect the reader's attention. Being courteous and professional courtesy goes a long way in business communication. Simple expressions like, "Please," "Thank you," and "We appreciate your cooperation" show that you value the person you're writing to. Even when you have to refuse a request or correct a mistake, the key is to stay polite and professional. Use calm, respectful language, not emotional or harsh wording. Remember, professionalism in writing isn't about using big words. It's about showing respect, clarity, and confidence. Language as a business strategy. Finally, think of language as a business strategy. The way your company writes says a lot about who you are. A creative company might use a friendly, modern tone. A bank or law firm might prefer formal, traditional language. Whatever your style, the goal is consistency, making sure every letter reflects your company's values and professionalism. When used thoughtfully, language doesn't just send information, it strengthens relationships and builds trust. Conclusion. So, to wrap up, maximizing the use of business letters isn't just about following the right format. It's about using the right language. Be clear, be polite, be professional, and make sure every word you write represents your company in the best possible way. Because in business, how you say something often matters just as much as what you say. Thanks for watching. And remember, every letter you write is a reflection of your company's voice. Use it wisely.